Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are test driving FordTransit 2018, which came in with a AdBlue problems. The counter kicked in to say the engine won't be possible to start after 140 miles. Anyway, job is done. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it before and how is it now?
Before it was a bit of a pig. It just didn't handle at all well and it kept slouching. But now it's so responsive and there's so much power you can feel there.
Lighter?
Just got a lot lighter, yes.
Can you see black or white smoke from the...
Just no smoke whatsoever.
No smoke, but engine lights?
No engine lights, no, thank God. They've
Okay,
gone.
so you are happy?
Very, very happy, yes.
Okay, we have another happy customer from Moorhouse-SupremeDPFCleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. We are specialized and masters on DPFs, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, SCR, black or white smoke, power loss and high fuel consumption issues, turbos, injectors. We are the official diagnostic center. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Oh, my telephone number is 07533636194. Thank you.